Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool triples dancing video edit on CapCut PC. So select your video. Just going to start from here, and then I'm going to select cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout. And once the background has been removed, you're just going to copy and paste it 3 times, and you're going to move it to like the left or the right, and this one like to the left, like so. And then after that, I'm going to put this on top so I can add in another like a background or something. I'm just going to use this one from CapCut itself, like so. And I'm also going to just turn it off. Let me just, and you can just add like a text if you want. But that is pretty much it, really. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!